We turn next to the coronavirus pandemic in this country with new concern tonight over adolescents and what they're seeing in hospitals. And news tonight that the U.S. has announced it will now share 25 million doses of vaccine with other countries around the world by the end of this month. Here at home, that push to vaccinate and the CDC expected to release a new report with troubling data on teens in COVID hospitalizations, many ending up in the ICU. They're now urging parents to get their teens vaccinated. And the numbers tonight, 168 million people with at least one dose, 60% now of everyone 12 years and older in this country. And Dr. Anthony Fauci tonight, and when we could see children younger than 12 vaccinated here in the U.S. Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos again tonight.
Tonight, the CDC is urging young people to get vaccinated in light of what they call troubling data showing unvaccinated adolescents can still become sick from COVID and can wind up in the ICU.
Until teens are fully vaccinated, they should continue to wear masks and take precautions when around others who are not vaccinated to protect themselves, their friends, family, and community.
In Minnesota, 13-year-old Samantha Gregg spent nearly 2 weeks in the ICU fighting that rare multi-system inflammatory syndrome related to COVID.
They couldn't get her fever under control, and then there was all kinds of inflammation all over in her body. So it's been very touch and go.
Doctors putting Samantha on a ventilator. She's now out of the hospital and getting stronger.
I feel like it was honestly the most sick I've ever been.
In Ohio, 17-year-old Zoe Vincent says her battle with COVID was one reason she wanted to get the vaccine.
If I can somehow guarantee that I'll never feel this way again, I felt like I would, definitely take it. And so I did get the vaccine.
She wants to be a doctor and just won a full ride to college in the state's Vax-A-Million lottery. To reach the goal of giving 70% of adults one shot by July 4th, at least another 18 million people need to get the vaccine. But vaccinations are dropping, just 500,000 shots given yesterday. The goal now is to boost demand at home while sending extra doses around the world.
As the days get brighter and brighter at home, we're focused on driving progress to help end the pandemic around the globe.
The U.S. is donating 80 million doses of extra vaccines to countries around the world by the end of the month. The White House announcing they will start with 25 million doses across Latin America, Asia, and Africa, along with Gaza and the West Bank.
We have a glut of vaccines in the United States. We have more vaccines than we know what to do with. And you do have people dying around the world. Into the summer months, we'll have a lot. So I'm hoping the administration will ramp up much further.
And Stephanie Ramos back with us tonight. And Dr. Anthony Fauci today was asked if he's hopeful about children 12 and under in this country getting vaccinated sometime before Thanksgiving.
Yes, David. Dr. Fauci says he is cautiously optimistic that as we approach the end of this calendar year, researchers will have enough information from ongoing studies to vaccinate children of any age. Dr. Fauci also says it is likely unvaccinated children under the age of 12 might have to wear a mask when they return to school in the fall if they are in a region or in a state where there are high levels of COVID infections. David.
All right, Stephanie Ramos on the virus again tonight. Thank you, Stephanie.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.